Hello, my name is Christopher, and today I'm truly excited to introduce Wavelet, a revolutionary blockchain-native crowdfunding platform built entirely on SUI. Wavelet operates at the intersection of Web3 fintech and crowdfunding infrastructure, with a laser focus on trust-minimized fundraising powered by smart contracts. Unlike traditional crowdfunding platforms such as Kickstarter or GoFundMe, which rely heavily on centralized trust and intermediaries, Wavelet leverages programmable, on-chain logic to fully automate fund custody, milestone-based release, and instant refunds. This means no more blind trust. Everything is transparent, verifiable, and enforced by code from day one. For Wavelet came from repeatedly observing the same painful problems in the crowdfunding space over the years. Backers pour their hard-earned money into projects, yet they often have no real visibility into how those funds are actually being used. Creators, on the other hand, struggle to establish credibility without depending on big, centralized platforms that act as gatekeepers. And worst of all, when projects fail or underperform, which happens more often than we'd like, refunds become slow, opaque, or entirely discretionary, leaving backers frustrated and out of pocket. Traditional platforms essentially ask everyone to trust the platform itself, rather than trusting a transparent system. We stepped back and asked a fundamentally simple but powerful question. What if trust wasn't placed in intermediaries, but was instead enforced directly by immutable code? That question led us straight to SUI, a next-generation blockchain specifically designed for unparalleled speed, extremely low costs, and an innovative object-based ownership model. These technical advantages make SUI the perfect foundation for real-time, condition-based financial workflows, exactly like modern crowdfunding. For our minimum viable product, we are laser-focused on serving two core user personas who are perfectly aligned with blockchain solutions. First, the crypto-native backer. This is someone who deeply values transparency and direct control over their funds, is inherently risk-aware in the Web3 space, and strongly prefers automated rule-based systems over vague human promises or centralized decisions. Second, the project creator. Typically an innovative builder or entrepreneur who needs fast and flexible access to capital, wants to build credibility without bowing to centralized gatekeepers, and is more than willing to operate with full on-chain transparency if the underlying system makes it easy and efficient. What unites both of these personas is a shared desire for fewer middlemen, reduced friction, and much clearer, more predictable outcomes in every crowdfunding campaign. Let me now walk you through the complete customer journey on Wavelet, step by step, to show just how seamless and powerful it is. Step 1. Onboarding. The user simply connects any SUI-compatible wallet, whether that's SUI Wallet, OKX, or others. There's no email sign-up, no traditional account creation, no KYC hurdles at this stage. It's pure Web3 simplicity. Step 2. Project creation. A creator comes in and easily defines the key parameters, the overall funding goal in SUI tokens, a clear deadline for the campaign, and optional milestones that trigger partial fund releases. Everything is set up through an intuitive interface that writes directly to the smart contract. Step 3. Contribution phase. Backers discover projects and contribute SUI tokens with just a few clicks. The moment funds are sent, they are immediately locked as individual on-chain objects inside our secure smart contract escrow, fully visible and auditable by anyone on the Blockchain Explorer. Step 4. automated condition evaluation. At deadline or milestone checkpoints, the protocol automatically evaluates whether predefined conditions have been met. If the goal is reached or a milestone achieved, funds are released to the creator instantly and proportionally. If conditions fail, full refunds are executed automatically and immediately. No support tickets, no lengthy disputes, no waiting weeks for money to come back. It's all handled by code in seconds. The Wavelet MVP delivers 3 powerful core features that solve the biggest pain points in crowdfunding today. First, conditional fund release. Funds only move when objectively verifiable, predefined conditions are satisfied. Nothing happens based on trust or discretion. Second, milestone-based payouts. Instead of the risky all-or-nothing lump sum model, creators can receive funds progressively as they hit real milestones, aligning incentives and reducing risk for everyone involved. Third, fully automated refunds. In case of failure, every single backer gets their exact contribution refunded, instantly and transparently. Again, no human intervention required. These features translate directly into massive, measurable value. Dramatically higher trust from backers, significantly lower perceived risk, much faster settlement times, and zero need for manual intervention or customer support overhead. In our early alpha testing with real users, participants consistently reported feeling far more confident backing projects on Wavelet compared to any traditional Web 2 crowdfunding platform they've used before. Our revenue model is deliberately simple, transparent, and fully aligned with long-term user success. We charge only a small protocol fee, typically in the low single-digit percentage range, applied exclusively to funds that are successfully released to creators. Importantly, there are zero fees on any campaign that fails and triggers refunds. This means backers are never penalized when things don't work out. This structure creates perfect incentive alignment. Wavelet only earns meaningful revenue when creators actually succeed in their value. Looking ahead, once the core protocol is battle tested, we plan to introduce additional sustainable revenue streams, such as premium creator tools and dashboards, optional compliance and legal modules for regulated projects, and white label enterprise crowdfunding infrastructure for larger organizations entering Web3.